Alright, what's going on YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you how I made a no-hole vinyl siding hook. I did not buy it, I made it. And I'll also put down in the description some of these hooks if you just want to buy some. But if you have some aluminum laying around, you could just make your own. Let me show you how this works. Right where the vinyl siding hooks together, you can see if you look at it, you'll be able to take your little hook that I made and slide it up in behind it, and then it will hook on like that. Then you take your little sign or whatever you got and you hang it there like that. Now I'll show you how I made that. The only thing is, it's not the easiest to get out. If you're by the end of a siding, you can slide it over. And it makes it a little easier to get out. Or if you're not, you can, if you pull on it hard enough, it'll come out. Just make sure you do not do that when the siding is really cold, like in the winter time. I would suggest pulling that out when the siding's warmed up, so it'll move a little bit. Let me show you how I made this. All right, I just had a piece of aluminum fascia that I had left from when I remodeled my entire house pretty much. Now you could probably just use a piece of aluminum if you have some aluminum laying around. This worked pretty good. So that's why I said I'm going to put down in the description some of these you could buy off Amazon, because a lot of people might not have this laying around. But I'll show you how I made it. It's very simple. I made it about 1 inch wide, and I drew a straight line. And I started out with about 4.5 inches. And I had some tin snips, and I cut that at about 4.5 inches. It might not be exactly 4.5 inches, but if you want to make your hook a little bigger, just start at 4.5 inches and cut that out. Now first you're going to take this one side or the other and you're going to crimp just a little bit, maybe 1/16 of an inch, and bend it with some pliers. This is what's going to make it stick in the siding better. I can't say how good those ones are going to be that you can buy on Amazon, because they don't look exactly like this, but there's a lot of good reviews. So take that. You might have to bend that around. Now don't bend it completely flat. Just like that. And then you're just going to start working this in a circle. Just about like that. And then you can bend it by hand. Or maybe even better yet, here, I'm going to use this. You could use the edge of the table, but you can't see the edge of the table right now. Just bend this like 90 degrees. And you want to bend that down like that. Now before I go any further, take a piece of duct tape and rip a piece of duct tape, maybe about 3/4 of an inch, and wrap it around there, because these edges are sharp. Yeah, I guess I should say be careful working with this stuff so you don't cut yourself if you do have some laying around. So I wrap that around there, so that way whatever you hang on here, it won't cut through it. Now, like I said, I started at the 4.5 inches. Well, I think that's a little long, so I'm going to cut this. And then just bend this up. Like that. Just like that. Now you can put some more duct tape over these edges if you want, if you're worried about that being sharp. Or you can even take some sandpaper and sand them down a little bit. All right, let's go hang my wife's sign up. All right, let's hang my wife's little sign up that she wants. She wants it right here in between the garage doors. Push that up. Hangs there. Now I wouldn't hang 50 pounds from this, but I think this would be fine for this. There we go. Now I don't have holes in my siding that I just put on a couple years ago. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support me. And also, if you click on them links down below, that supports my channel too. Thank you very much. God bless and have a great day.